Good morning. We are back here at Leghaowney, just outside the wind farm. We're now heading towards Lough Eske today and starting the Bluestack Way. So let's go. This is the famine pot. Proper little country road this, with the grass growing up the middle of it. We are now officially joining the Bluestack Way. So Bluestack Way starts in Donegal and finishes in Adara. So we followed the Bluestack Way the whole way to Adara before then heading on towards Lough Eske. Off we go. I will say I haven't seen any IAT signage since we left County Tyrone. So all of Donegal so far through the wind farm and that little road section, we haven't had any IAT signage. So it's been all map work. So now that we're on the Bluestack Way, it should be a lot better. Here's hoping. It's starting to look autumny again with all the leaves falling. We're now off-roading on the Bluestack Way, walking through, I think this is Lough Eske forest, but we're heading towards the shores of Lough Eske anyway. Oh, it looks so pretty with all the autumn colours. I am already loving the Bluestack Way. This forest is just so pretty. Yes, it's raining, but it's still so pretty and so like ethereal or something, walking through with all the autumn colours and the sun just peeking through the leaves. I love it. Wasn't expecting this in the middle of the forest. A grave, or yeah, I think it's a grave. Can't see anything about it though. Have to find out. Boardwalk, boardwalk. It is a little slippy. And we're right on Lough Eske now, with the Bluestack Mountains in the distance. Lots and lots of fresh conkers to bring home. Keep the spiders out of the house. The views here are just so pretty. I really love them. Well, now I'm confused. Why is there an Ulster Way sign? We're nowhere near the Ulster Way. I wondered, did this used to be like the old Ulster Way or something? I'm not sure. That's a lot of mushrooms. Look at the size of them. Oh my goodness. Our last little view of Lough Eske. We've just climbed up from Lough Eske and we're at the foot of like the Bluestack Mountains now. We're going to finish off here for today just because it's been quite a wet day, and we will pick up next time.